Hello student, today I explain exercise 5.7, find the second order derivative. Second order derivative meaning 2 times you do derivative, 1 time and 2 times. Then differential with respect to x, dy upon dx, then x square derivative 2x2 minus 1, 3 into 1 plus constant 0 write down, dy dx 2x plus 3, again differential with respect to x, x d dx dy dx equal to x derivation 1 and 3 0, d square by dx square, second derivative you write down d square by dx square 2. Answer. Now question number 2, differential with respect to x, dy dx 20x 20 minus 1, dy dx 20x 20 minus 1 19. Again you do the differential with respect to x, x d dx dy dx 20 into 19 x 19 minus 1, d square y dx square 20 into 19, 3 at 0, x 19 minus 1 18. Answer. Now question number 3, differential with respect to x dy dx, product rule apply to है, x into cos will add on minus sin x and cos x will add on the 1, dy dx minus x sin x plus cos x. Then again do the differential with respect to x, d square y dx square and product rule applied to the x, sin will add on the cos x plus sin x will add on the 1, cos x will add on the minus sin x equal this one multiply x cos x minus plus minus sin x plus into minus minus sin x minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. Answer. Now you see the question number 4, y equal log x, differential with respect to x, x dy dx log x differential you write down 1 upon x. Again do the differential with respect to x, d dx dy dx d dx x raised to power minus 1, d square y dx square equal minus 1 power forward x minus 1 d square y dx square minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1 x raised to power minus 2, downward side of x square. Answer. Now question number 5, y equal x cube log x, find the second order derivative. Then 2 times you do the derivative, and first we do the differential with respect to x, differential with respect to x dy dx product rule applied to this. X cube log x 1 upon x log x into x cube 3x 3 minus 1 dy dx cancel x square plus 3x square log x 3x 3 minus 1 x square 3 forward write down x square x cube cancel x then x square 3x square log x. Now once again you do the differential with respect to x, differential with respect to x, d square by dx square equal x square write down 2x 2 minus 1 3x square log x we write down 1 upon x plus 3 log x square differential to x 2 minus 1. Now we write down 2x, this one x cancel x plus 3x plus 3 to the 6 x log x 2x plus 3x 5x plus 6x log x x common 5 plus 6 log x. Answer. Now you see the question number 6, y equal e raised to power x sin 5x. Now differential with respect to x, dy dx है प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई टू है ex then sin 5x write down cos 5x 5x differential 5 into 1. Now sin 5x ex differential ex write down dy dx equal ex we take the common 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x ex common 5 cos 5x sin 5x. Now again you do the differential with respect to x, differential with respect to x d square y dx square है प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई टू है ex 5 cos 5x 5 cos 5x minus sin 5x and 5x greater than 5 plus sin 5x cos 5x and 5x 5 is a plus ex differential ex write down 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Now ex we take the common 5 5 is 25 minus 25 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. ex 5 cos 5x 5 cos 5x 10 cos 5x 5 5 10 sin 5x minus 25 minus 24 sin 5x. Therefore d square y dx square equal, and you take the 2 common 2 e raised to power x 2 5 the cos 5x 24 divided by 2 12 sin 5x. Answer. Now you see the question number 7, y equal e raised to power 6x cos 3x. And we do the differential with respect to x. dy dx equal, and product rule apply to there. Then first we do the cos 3x minus sin 3x into cos 3x we write as minus sin 3x, and 3x differential we write on 3. Now cos 3x ex raised to power 6x differential e 6x, and 6x differential 6 is there. dy dx. Now you see there 3 minus we write on 3 e raised to power 6x sin 3x plus 6 e 6x cos 3x is there, minus plus minus 3 e raised to power 6x sin 3x, 6 है 6 e raised to power 6x cos 3x है. Now you take the e raised to power 6x common, dy dx, and write on here e raised to power 6x minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x. Now again you do the differential with respect to x. Differential with respect to x, again d square y dx square equal e 6x minus 3 sin we write down cos 3x into 3x 3 we write down plus 6 cos 3x we write down minus sin 3x, and 3x we write down 3. Now minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x e raised to power 6x differential e raised to power 6x and 6. Now e raised to power 6x we take the common, 3 is a 9 minus 9 cos 3x plus into minus minus 6 is a 18 sin 3x plus and minus is there, then 6 you multiply 18 sin 3x 6 e raised to power 6x common, then 6 is a 18 and plus 6 is a 36 cos 3x. Now e raised to power 6x, then you see the 36 cos 3x and 9, then 36 minus 9 27 cos 3x, 18 and 18 36 sin 3x. Now you take the 9 common, 9 6x, 9 is a cos 3x, 9 for the sin 3x. Answer. You see the question number 8, y equal tan inverse x. Now you do the differential with respect to x. X dy dx tan inverse, you do the differential 1 plus x square. Now again you do the differential with respect to x, d dx, dy dx, d dx, and we write on 1 plus x square minus 1 d square y dx square. Then 1 plus x square minus 1 power forward, 1 plus x square minus 1 minus 1. Now 1 plus x square 1 differential 0 and 2x square will add on 2x. Therefore d square y dx square equal minus 2x, and this one downward add on 1 plus x square or square. Answer. Now here also differential with respect to x, dy dx log x, then log x differential 1 upon x is there, then 1 upon log x write down, log x, this one x, 1 upon log x, and log x differential 1 upon x write down. Now dy upon dx equal 1 upon x log x is there. Now differential with respect to x, d square by dx square x log x raised to power minus 1 d dx is there. Now you see here power come forward, x log x minus 1 and x log x product rule applied to there, x into log x 1 upon x log x 1 x value 1 there, minus this one x and x cancel, 1 plus log x, and this one x log x minus 2 downwards power 2 write down. This is the answer. Now you see the question number 10, y equals sin log x, differential with respect to x, dy dx, sin x we write down, cos log x, and log x differential 1 upon x, then equal to cos log x upon x. Now again differential with respect to x, d square y dx square equal, and divide rule apply to have x square x d upon dx cos log x minus cos log x d dx, x is there, d square by dx square x cos log x we write down minus sin log x, and log x we write down 1 upon x minus cos log x, x we write down the 1 upon x square, x and x cancel, then you take the minus common, sin log x minus you take the common plus cos log x upon x square. Answer.